Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pig out cake. It's so great it's going to make you want to pig out on it, but that's not why they call it pig out cake. I'll tell you more about that in a second. Alright, 1 box of yellow cake mix, that's the 15¼ ounce size, 11 ounces of mandarin oranges, that's a can of them, drain them, dump those oranges in, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, then you're going to add in 4 eggs into there. Then you are also going to add in a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And finally, to make this cake batter really rich, you are going to add in 4 ounces of melted butter. Now, this cake actually got its start in Lake Georgia and South Carolina. Barbecue pork roasts are called pig pickins there. And this was one of the most popular cakes brought to these pig pickins. So this cake is also known as pig picking cake. Now I love this cake for the summer because you're gonna have to keep it refrigerated. So it's really super cool and refreshing. The frosting for this has Cool Whip in it, instant vanilla pudding, and more. So it's gotta be served cold. So I love this cake during the summer. Now go ahead and mix it up. You probably want to use a mixer and not do it by hand like me. All right, so you're going to spread out this cake batter into a 13 by 9 inch pan. You put a little bit of non-stick spray in there. You're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now let's start on the frosting. It is going to begin with a 16-ounce container of Cool Whip. And then you're going to add in a 4 serving size package of instant vanilla pudding, and then 1 cup of coconut, and then you are also going to add in a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, but don't drain it, just dump it in. Now some people also like to add in a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar into this. I think this cake is plenty sweet. I do not add that in. So that is the frosting. Stir it up and blend it up to where it has a wonderful uniform texture. And then you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna frost this cake and grab a bite of it. But you can see this cake is amazing. It's honestly, hands down, my favorite cake for this summer. So you have got to give this one a try. So after you have tried this recipe, be sure to come back and let me know how much you liked it. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to this channel here so you can see my next recipe. And also, please leave me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching.